Hello students, today we are going to talk about degrees of comparison. Degrees of comparison is also known degrees of adjective. Students, comparison means to compare two things or more than things. There are three degrees of comparison, namely first one positive degree, second one comparative degree, and third one superlative degree. But before going into degrees, let's discuss one thing. For example, if I say one of my friend is Ravina. Ravina bought a new dress and it was very expensive. So I will say Ravina bought an expensive dress. But there is another friend of mine. Her name is Rita. She bought more expensive dress than Ravina. Then I will say Rita bought more expensive dress than Ravina. So I am comparing both her dress, Ravina's dress and Rita's dress. Means whenever we compare two things or more than two things or people, we use these degrees. Now talking about positive degree. Positive degree means no comparison is made. Means we use this degree when no comparison is made. For example, if I say your dress is beautiful, now I am making no comparison. I am just looking at your dress and I say it's very beautiful. So here no comparison is made, means we can say whenever no comparison is made, it will be positive degree. And I am saying your dress is beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective. Here is two more examples. This is a good bike, means good word is only an adjective. He is young. There is no comparison. I am simple saying he is young. Young would be an adjective. And second one is comparative degree. Comparative degree means comparison made between two things or more than two things. Means comparison could be made between two things, two people and two objects. Example, you can see an example. My bike is better than yours. Means what I am doing here? I am comparing my bike with your bike. Means student, keep in your mind, whenever I will make comparison between two things, I will use comparative degree. So here two bikes, my bike and yours. So it will be comparative degree. And third one is superlative degree. This degree is used where more than two things are compared. In the previous degree, we always used to compare two things. Now we are going to compare more than two things. If I say Ravi's, you can see an example. If I say Ravi's bike is the best of all our bikes, now I am comparing his bike with all other bike. Means there can be many bikes. So wherever we compare more than two things, more than two objects, more than two people, we use superlative degree. And students, one thing more, superlative degree is preceded by the. You can see example. Ram is the tallest boy in the class. And second one, the Ganga is the longest river. Means we can say whenever we use superlative degree, we use the word the. Here in example you can see tallest is the superlative degree and longest is also superlative degree, and it is completed with article the. Now students, we are going to learn about formation of degrees. First one, by adding er, est to the positive degree. You can see sweet, small, tall. These are adjective. When we make these words comparative and superlative, we need to add er and est in these words. Means sweet, sweeter, sweetest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Second one, by adding only r and st when the positive ends in e. You can see word brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest, white, whiter, whitest. Third one, when the positive ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, we double consonant and then add E, R and EST. Means positive, in positive big, we need to double G, means consonant. We need to double the consonant, means there is big, then bigger, biggest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Fourth one, when the positive ends in Y and has a consonant before Y, we change Y into I and then add IER or IEST. Means there is a word easy, EASY. Then we need to remove Y and need to put IER and IEST to make comparative and superlative degree. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Lazy, lazier, laziest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Means we need to remove Y. Fifth one, by placing more and most before positives to form comparatives and superlatives. Representative. Means there is a word craze. Then we need to put more and most to make comparative and superlative degree. Courageous, more courageous and most courageous. Industrious, more industrious, most industrious. And next, some example of irregular comparison are as follow. Means good, well. We need to change the word. Means good, better, best. In comparative degree, good will be better, and in superlative degree, good will be best. Bad, evil or ill, worse or worst. Little, less, lesser, या least. Much, many, more, most, quantity. We use this word for quantity. Late, later, last, या latest. Okay students, I hope this video will help you to understand degrees of comparison.